Climate change is real and it is affecting all of us.
We're seeing the seasons of production are changing.
Although it's a threat, there are opportunities that can be derived and people can actually make a livelihood from adapting to climate change.
We need to adapt, and one good way to start is with our young people, with our students.
And I'm also excited for the students, which they're going to actually learn from the practicals.
We believe that change would start from the younger generation, so we want to instill in them the purpose, the need to adapt to climate change.
We have the greenhouse project coming on stream, and they have started by building some pedestals so we can put some water tanks. So this and that will be feeding the greenhouse.
The time I heard about the project, I was excited about it. With the help of this project, what we now have Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, and Form 5. Probably the entire school is doing agriculture. And I noticed that we have already begun doing some work on this pilot project. We have the slabs ready, and even the students, we told the students about it, they're also very excited about it.
We're collecting the water on this slab here, as well as on the other side. This slab is primarily for the greenhouse. There will be two 1,000-gallon tanks there, and so it should be able to feed the greenhouse and to do whatever we need in there.
Most of us are familiar with the land-based agriculture, plowing the soil and growing plants. However, this project adds a new dimension to what we're offering. I'm extremely happy to introduce this program into our curriculum.
The J-CCCP Climate Change Project is going to look at using climate-smart technologies to diversify agriculture, and we decided to use aquaponics to introduce that type of technology in schools. Okay, these systems will be harvesting rainwater, and that rainwater would be used to grow fish, and the waste from the fish would be used to grow crops.
From a climate change perspective, one of the other factors that we want to incorporate into the project is using a hive monitoring system. It's something which will enable us as beekeepers to monitor the progress of the bee development, of how they're developing over a period of time, and have data to back up that information. So this is also a factor which is affecting the bees from a climate change, that the plants are not reproducing as much as they would before. Looking at species of plants and to which we can encourage beekeepers and NGOs and public groups to plant to help sustain the bees year-round. Each of the 4 sites which we, under the trial, we'll be able to measure exactly what was happening in the external atmosphere, rain, wind speed, and temperature, the honey flow, to measure how well a colony is developing. You can then correlate that data to what is in bloom and what is beneficial to the bees at that time. It's going to be a very interesting study over the next couple of years.